there, Money Mavens! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of wealth and investments. Ever wonder how the wealthy keep getting wealthier? It's not just about having money, it's about making smart investment choices. Well, today I'm spilling the beans on the top 5 investments only the rich seem to know about. These are the kinds of investments that can transform your financial future. And guess what? You don't need a fortune to start. Even with a modest amount, you can begin your journey towards financial freedom. Let's dive in. Ready? Here we go. Number 1, angel investing. This is where the rich put their money into promising startups at the ground floor. By investing early, they get a significant stake in the company. It's risky, but the rewards? Potentially huge. Imagine the thrill of seeing a small startup grow into a billion-dollar company. Imagine being an early investor in, say, Uber or Airbnb. The returns on such investments can be astronomical. Not bad, right? The key is to do your research and invest in startups with strong potential. Next up, number 2, real estate syndications. Think of it like a group buy for property. Instead of buying a property on your own, you join forces with other investors. Wealthy individuals pool their money to invest in big real estate deals, like apartment complexes or commercial buildings. The best part? You get to be part of something much bigger. You get to own a slice of a much larger pie without having to manage it yourself. This means you can enjoy the benefits of real estate without the headaches of being a landlord. Moving on. Number 3, art and collectibles. The rich often invest in fine art, vintage cars, and even rare wines. These are not just investments. They are passions that can yield significant returns. These items not only appreciate in value, but also add a touch of class to their lives. Imagine owning a piece of history or a rare masterpiece. Plus, they can be a fun way to diversify your investment portfolio. Number 4, private equity. This is where the wealthy invest directly in private companies, often those not listed on public stock exchanges. It's like getting in on the ground floor of a potentially huge opportunity. It's like owning a part of a company before it hits the big time. The potential for growth and profit is immense. Think of it as a VIP ticket to growth and profits. You get exclusive access to opportunities that the general public doesn't. And finally, number 5, hedge funds. These are pooled investment funds that employ diverse strategies to earn active returns for their investors. They are managed by experts who know how to navigate the complex financial markets. They can be complex and typically require a higher initial investment, but the potential gains are what attract the wealthy. The strategies used can range from long-short equity to global macro, providing a wide array of opportunities. So there you have it, the top 5 investments the wealthy make that most people overlook. These strategies can be your gateway to financial success. Angel investing, real estate syndications, art and collectibles, private equity, and hedge funds. Each of these has the potential to significantly boost your wealth. Remember, you don't need to be a millionaire to start investing like one. It's all about taking that first step and being consistent. It's about making smart choices and thinking long-term. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks to grow your wealth. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Until next time, happy investing. Stay savvy and keep reaching for those financial goals.